And what we are going to do today, we're going to make some shrimp and biscuits on the griddle. A couple things that are different. First off, I'm using my phone to video this just to see what that looks like. And also we have these nice fake stained glass pictures of the cats. So we'll try to keep those in the shot and include Edward, Alphonse, and Miss Mossy and our cook. We're going to try for this. That's good. That's hot. Okay. We're going to try for this cook different temperature zones because we're going to do biscuits. And the problem traditionally with biscuits is the bottoms get burnt. They get black, they get burnt. So to alleviate that, we are going to put our biscuits on a rack. And I should have gotten some cooking spray. All right. Well, edit time. Never have what I need. We're going to spray down our chicken rack, as I've heard this thing called, with some canola cooking spray. And these are biscuits out of the tube. I have had zero luck with frozen biscuits. So these are just right out of the tube. We're going to put the dome over it like that and see how we can make some biscuits. Okay, next we're going to put on our shrimp. And for this cook, I'm trying the 2-zone approach again. The biscuits are in a little cooler zone. That's just about 300. And we're going to put the shrimp here at about 350. And we're adding some garlic powder to our butter. We've thought these shrimp, they were just frozen shrimp that I got at Hy-Vee. We're putting them in the garlic butter. And what we are going to do actually is to create a sauce for these shrimp while they cook. So stay tuned. They smell good. And as we push these guys around, just a little bit, the shrimp won't take long. Might be waiting on the biscuits, but that's all right. So we are right now cooking these shrimp in butter and garlic powder. We're going to add this Old Bay seasoning, which I've never used before. Got it at Hy-Vee. And then the secret sauce in this cook is Slap Your Mama, which is Cajun seasoning. And Slap Your Mama makes everything better. So, stir these around a little bit. Now let's add some of the Old Bay seasoning. And it's windy out here today. Our seasoning is blowing away. This is the windiest day we've had out here in a while. Okay, there we go. That should be sufficient. Stir it up trying to season these things in the sauce and not just necessarily directly on the shrimp. So we will keep doing that. I'm going to add at this point some all-purpose seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let these shrimp boil, cook. See how our biscuits are doing, if anything. Not much yet. I give them more heat. And we are just going to let things roll along. So I'm going to try something here on these biscuits to get them going, because they are elastic down. I don't want the shrimp to get cold. So we are going to put these biscuits right on the burner. Stir in these around. Maybe even. Add a little more butter, because why not? Oh, there we go. There we go. What we needed. Our camera's starting to wiggle and jiggle here just a little bit, which not hearing the wind. And I'm trying to see if there's a cat out. There was a cat out here. I think we're on our own. Here we go. Look at that. We're going to cook these biscuits to temp. You want bread about 200 degrees. Put that on here. Got a ways to go with the biscuits, which is more than fine. Shrimp are cooking up. Don't know if I made enough or not. Part of my challenge with Catio cooking, part of what we are all about, is cooking for one. Single portions for a party of one. And it's getting better. We're starting to figure it out, but it's still not an exact thing by any means. But we're getting closer. All right. Melt some more butter here. For our shrimp. That's going to get edited out. There we go. Give those shrimp a little butter back. Gotta like that. All right. I am going to. The one it's almost going to be. Some more garlic powder in this mix. About a teaspoon. Those are looking good. see where we're at with our biscuits. Getting there. About this guy. All right. We're going to take the shrimp off. Take these out of their butter bath. Try not to dump them over the edge. That would be a shame. There we go. Now we'll start a nice grease fire. We'll just push this mess down here. A nice feature. Everything flows this way. Very, very sure that you keep that grease pan cleaned out or you are going to have a mess. This one off. I will bet anything. These biscuits. Six for that one. We will give these a moment. We would like 200 degrees for those biscuits. And we should get that here just very, very shortly. This is a simple cook. It doesn't take very long. But the results, I think, are going to be spectacular. Oh, those biscuits are golden brown. Look at that. We're just about there. $200 degrees. All right, put our biscuits in. Season our griddle. So there you have it. Thanks for stopping by. We will let you know how these turn out, and we will see you next time from the Catio in West Oak.